What do I say? Shannon Chatham! Jen Smith! And now we're fighting!
Okay. Oh jeez, it's not my shirt! Okay. Not in the snow?
Hurry up and fight! No, it has to be in the snow!
What?
It has to be in the snow!
You're gonna hurt, I know. You ready? Down your shirt? Huh? Can you see?
Yeah, but it's kind of dark, so I don't think it'll turn out.
You have to stay over here.
Come on, fight! 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 One for Jen! Another one! Oh, wow! They're getting busy!
Oh! That's not fair!
It's a fight, and nothing's fair.
Oh God, can you get her down?
There's something plastic in the snow.
Do what?
Behind you, Shannon.
Oh, mine. Oh, your makeup. My phone. Your phone? No, that was the other pocket. Give it to Sarah. Put it over there. No, I forgot to zip it. Are you filming?
Yeah. Come on, come on, come on.
Shit. It's all that blizzard.
No, it's all the meat.
You can't.
Jump on her, don't just do that. Jump on her now. No, 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 no. Whoa, you cheater. Not a fair fight, Shannon.
I'm sorry, are you okay? Are you okay? No. I'm sorry.
Is she okay?
I don't know, I punched her in the face. And then she fell in the snow. I'm sorry.
Shannon, are you okay? Oh, I see a bloody nose.
Is it?
I'm
Oh my God. I felt so bad. Did you hear me?
Is it?
Hurt. I'm sorry, did I punch you in the mouth? Punch me in the friggin' nose! I'm sorry!
Hurry up!
No.
Shannon, get her back! Come on, Shannon, get her back!
Her nose is red! Her nose is red!
That's probably because it's cold.